Hello people, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Please help me to share. Good evening, my people. How na dey? Also na dey fine. I greet everybody. Good evening, everybody. Help me to share. Good evening. Na dey fine. All right. Makakbe. Mona, help me share. Mona, help me share. Mona, help me share. Help me to share, my people. Mona, help me share. Good evening. I greet everybody. Enjoy the mama yakwa yinga mataiye. Eke mama yakwa yinga. Onyamwezo kuana yakuo. Thank you. Kikwa masa oriye. Good evening. Oh. Help me to share. Una good evening. I dey see una comment. Thank you, Joy. Na gbode na temata. Mama dia glory, e mata river, e mata ruwe. Mama zo kuana rakuo. Ikwa masa obidele. Thank you. Waboye na se, waboese. Thank you for the sharing. And thank you. Abi na so na. I'm young and yes, I'm young and yes. On s'allo voit elle. Glory, good evening. Solomon, good evening. God bless you now. Eke no magiata, emataro. Onyamwezo kuana gakuo. Ikwa mase obiye Gabriel. Thank you, Gabriel. Hello, not there. Abi? I greet everybody. I greet Sona. Mona, they help me the share. The name of the music, I am not swear. So, call Osamede there. Ça m'aide aider en soi. Thank you. Thank you. Amen. Na yezo yahu. Don't be lying. Oh. Na yezo. Don't be like ni wa pe fere small I'll just drop time. Where were you hiding before? I was not hiding before. I do it because of my, you know, when you get children way big, my children big, you know they misbehave. 9%. You know, say when you don't get the key way grow, if they tell you say do like this, you do like that, till you make them understand. I know they hide before, and they talk now. I greet you, my brother. Thank you, everybody. I don't take on my time. I'm not tired. I'm not taking my time. I'm not tired, I do it to everybody. Oh, give love. Yeah, not matter. Amagi not matter. Amagi not matter. I greet everybody. Help me to share, my people. Wow. God bless you all. I greet everybody. This is Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. For those of you who never know, say na me. Me no, Untouchable Mama, this is me. So, my people, ikasi wana nebonine. Baba o, don agbonu gie boniye. Agbonu gie boni o sanera me. Ihe koro. Baba o, don agbonu gie boniye. Agbonu gie boni o sanera me. Ukpo kporo. To amwe boni ruda wo sanogie agbon. Ugbe wera eyeke. Owudu ihwinye. Tunasian. Iwana iso eboni. Baba o don agbonu gie boni agbonu gie boni o sanera me. Ihe koro. Baba o don agbonu gie boni o sanera me. Ukpo kporo. Owe to amuye runda wo sanogi agbon. Ugbe weri yeke. Ugudu ihwinye. My people, one is for ebony, 10 billion. Ebony, 10 billion. So, I know to take on a time. Now, understand, I know to take on a time. When I know say yesterday, I did verse. Everybody did verse. So, if me I did verse, I go they talk fast. You understand? So, I saw they talk out today. I pray me I not still verse. Because I know say, sometimes, like, person like me, me like injustice. If something just happen, talk and the way it be. You understand? Talk and the way it be. So problem not there for them. But when they come, they do one kind, like say, they no want see the truth. And they kwado agbonye kweku me I know they like am. So me I show una for those of una where they talk say video where Ebony do una know say where sometimes people they do video. Una know they watch and finish. Like me, I watch Ebony video finish, you know. Then I can cut where I want cut. If anybody still need the full one, it's there for Aproko page. You understand? Because so me cut here. That very day where Ebony do video, she dey promote the music where one come out. More than the listen. Because me I sit down watch that video today. I just sit down watch everything A to Z. She dey promote the music where one come out this January, you know. It's a music of appreciation. So appreciate all these people. You know, the time when she come UK for the first time. People were near and where so wayawa wesi. Not be she sing that song where one come out to. Una know say sometimes Ebony go come out. He go say, I get a follower for Facebook. Una know they watch my video. Mona go they watch my video for YouTube. I just drop one now. Mona go watch and I know say people no want watch again. Now saga and they come they watch. Waiting me, I collect for that video where Ebony do. She sit down. They tell them say, I don't sing. I tell they sing. A voice in your gano. Your si even your kwele gbo esta edokpayi. You know? To call the people. Oh, sometimes I'll say our people. I don't know as I talk. It's like they know they understand when you they promote your business. Ebony was there promoting her music when one come out. Encourage the followers where they follow her to wait. January, my music they come, Mona go watch her. She was there, that is waiting me. I pick for inside there. Whether another thing there where Ebony do, I don't know. Osas God, thank you. I don't know. This one when me watch. No, don't see be on your social media. Ebony was there telling the people where you see one say, you understand? Making joke with them for them to watch a video or ladian. It's like me now. You hear me? Even I get another person where even they say something. If you know you're tiankime, make people follow me back. That is what Ebony did that very day. Now understand? Because I know say they don't vex for Ebony. Please, yeah, Mona not make any insults here. Una know me where I just a beg una. Leave your opinion without no insults, because if you can't do insults for here, I go block you, So just leave your, even though say na Ebony want her to drop her without no insults. Or to me, if you on your one was to say, why insult me, So Ebony was promoting the music where one come out for this January, this new year where we just do. So she was making funny, joking with other fans of her. Me, I play small one where I call because I say if I bring all of them, I think the video was 35 minutes or something like that. So I know if you just come they play that one. So this one, where I get interest for, now say me I bring and call for now. More than listing, she was, me I felt talking, she was promoting her business, say, Irigwa si huan, si huan gbe. We all know say Ebony never huan baladian, she never single. Amemi abon no ekpeladian. He just to tell the fans say ihuana organo. You know something like that to draw your audience. To why me sometimes some people go they write something. If you go YouTube, they'll write something where not even there for them. Just to call the audience to come there, click there and watch. That was what Ebony was doing to a fans of her way. In one ni yesuna organo oraladian in January. So mona go watch her. That was what Ebony was doing when she thought, say, for this industry, more see one say, Emaniru, where at least, I don't have, I don't van, or see one say, yeah. Any normal, ekenuje, or haya zere, you understand? Now, where you for the work, or haya zere, uhayaji yore ya zere, that is why Ebony made that statement, where, ben yare, Kenyana, that is a Kenyana way film, you see one say, o ma mi na ewe nyogele si nwa se nya ma si nwa se yen o yon we fi mi se unu ma ya hawa a orion banya. You understand? Unu we ujunu we yata wo orion ba. That is what we me enime dege no sunu le bani. So me I play am for now. Mona just listing.
She said that if my son
this one Ebony
tomorrow by 10 a.m. we are done. She will never call me again. When I call her, she won't pick and all that. Excuse me. It's my song. And I decide when I will release it. So she should chill. Anytime you see my song, play it. And I'm here to tell you guys the reason I started singing or I decided to sing.
okay.
I have a very beautiful voice. In fact, in the whole of Benin, don't forget the Pama, the Mama Naomi, all those ones, in our industry, where we belong to, only 3 persons sing better than me. 3.
Okay.
3. 2. Only 2 women, as a female artist, sings better than me. That I really know, okay, she sing past me, she sing past me. Only 2. And you guys already know. Even though saying I me teach Esther Idokpaye to sing, she can't sing past me.
She una the year, which we know that she was just joking. Young girl Esther Idokpaye winner. No, the answer is no. She was just joking to tell other fans or say, Iwana organo. It's my people. It good sometimes. Maybe they taste something easy. Because if you can use your zere. I know if you can't talk now, say, I don't know any place for Lagos. I can't talk, say, if you reach something so where for Lagos. Now, Binimi, I know. You understand? Binimi, I dey zere. You understand? Yes, now joke, now she did. So, now make come. This one, now be the waiting Ebony talk. Me, I just play a little bit again. Well done, yo. This one, Ebony. But better,
that first song. Oh, one man go around there. Oh, he's me composer for him.
You say, how do I know she was joking? I'm not joking because don't let me block you because I don't first see because I don't want even mention your name. I tell no say she dey joke. If you make another nonsense comment, I will block you. If person dey joke, you know they see her. Or if person dey serious, you know no. As for me, she was just joking, having fun, or a joke, to make her business, so for all those people, near me can now watch because people know they watch again. She said she go drop her for YouTube, Okay, if she know they joke, and you wait don't write that comment now say, how you tell them no say she they joke. If she know they joke, you're my time winner. What they having when? Now joke now she did.
She sing on. Now she said no. You understand? I can sing. So even though say now, Esther can't sing past me because I just decided not to come and sing again. I can't lost my voice. And by then, money day, so I'm gonna you beat me now. You can't start to sing. But now, everywhere don't get this. I need to sing. So that many people come see they spray me, and see they go shows, or see they spray me, I don't mic, use music song till they cover up.
Not yet.
You understand? But me now, if you sing raw, if you sing live. Urukpa Nigeria toyo. Urukpa Nigeria toyo. Urukpa no saru ye dagbome o.
Too ancien.
Urukpa salobua. Some people cannot sing like this. Yes. Not be all artists go fit sing the way I think they sing so. Now say well, yeah, you get not bigger. If you're way, yeah, you get not bigger. Now what I do get yeah, you're in there. Oh, someone not bona. Oh, someone not bon. You know, I sing well. Now me decide not to sing all this while because I never hungry. Now hunger day. I need to sing. I need to sing, because I need to make money. People need to spray me. Excuse me. So anyhow, I just sing and go sing, and I know you guys will love it.
Until now, yeah. Sure now, yeah. Anyhow, I just sing, I know Siona go love her because she was just to tell those people a music in here. They wanna go watch. I don't know why they can't change everything because now only everyone akpa me what they go all time. I don't see another thing because the video they there. She not even delete her. The video they there where she tell do this one. Say I know eva tu na every year na I know ha be I know eva you no see one saying She was just joking. So they can't take us say maybe in your way no. May I play and finish? Then I'll come play the other.
If people can still enjoy Mangolo music, excuse me, what about me when they sing professionally?
Atuna yeah. O may see one there oh. Make you for no say na joke.
You will love the song. So people hear the DM me say, Ebony, when you say, excuse me, I can sing so well. I can sing very well. Bring song, my singer. Obibo Maro Yeto. Excuse me, how many artists will this sing like this? So they say, are you clear, eh?
Yes.
Oh. So I got blessed with a beautiful song, with a beautiful voice. I can sing, oh, hey, I can sing, eh? If you not listen to Bangalore artists, they sing, you must listen to me when God just bless, eh?
Tuna yeah.
What I want you guys to do is to join me, share that song, let it go viral.
Tuna yeah.
Actually use it to appreciate my fans, my
Tuna
friends,
yeah.
my people that have supported me so far. You see, this is my trip to the UK.
Tuna yeah. Tuna don't hear her. She was just joking to sell her market. Hey, my people, they can't take can. Because if you want to sell markets, I mean in night, sometimes when you sell something, me just talk, say person where they sell rice, they go, Madam, bring your rice, it's sweet. You go say, he, money, I said, na organo. If all business, okay, so she do. Only any medal, when I saw, now that one, I mean, because sometimes if our people, they do something, they'll do an SS. If another thing, where they say she do, okay, make them talk that one, because for this one, the man begging know. After this one, my people, I think I don't listen to Ebony, I don't listen to what she talk, because not be everybody watch that video where she do. Okay, when I don't listen to this one, when me don't listen, now I cut the one where I get and one me I play for na more than a year, because the rest now another thing, or my one kind anything like that. She's for a year now they promote her music where one comment. He said now her pride kill her. Me I tell you, everybody get your pride. You understand? Everybody get. Now the way where you tell they do something. Like me, I know they look down one. You understand? Everybody get the way where they do something. Not be person go they talk say, na me buy this one. Na me get the other one. Whereas na like, he dey. He won't na ya hawa of your ba. Unu wa ya take be we mo unu wa ya ta wo your ba. Now you will come no say okay, na truth is the talk or na lie is the talk or now you will come no. So me we know they take something high. After she don't do this one, no why the one where their friends can't do. After when she do this one, because if you not get person for mind, my people, all those things where I was your can't do, therefore not come and can't do one. If you don't get person for mind, say, edeniga bomana, edeniga suwohumoto. You understand? Now that one, their friends do. I bet when let me send this video, go give the president. Maybe they not give her that one where Ebony do, or maybe not be that one. I know say people now they can lie. If they want change something, yeah, how I change it, but then change it. This one a Ebony voice. This one a video of Ebony. So not be said maybe they go send another thing, go give the president only yege or do ya bonye. They come.
What is she?
Wait. After when she do that one, next two of them, when they come out.
Yeah, and my colleagues. Oh yeah, wanna come. I hear say everybody day life. Somebody come in and say everybody day life. What? They say she did live stream. What is she they talk?
After when she don't, Ebony don't do that one.
What is she saying? What is everybody saying? I hear she's live streaming.
May and president may watch all this video step by step. Now Ebony fair do video just then they can't do their own.
Ebony say we not reach. Ebony reach my shoe. Because she just they deceive them. Yes, now. She say we not reach. Ebony reach my shoe. Ebony see back at the here. I want to pass you. I want to come show in the Ebony women with my said and my colleagues they not reach. Yes, say he reach.
I bet pretty price. I bet tell us what she talk. So she talk many things, John. What did she talk? Because somebody tell us not to.
She said we not rich. Ebony one bono. Ebony one kill on this. Need boasa.
Why not? Why we need water? Yeah, where a street in Mayaji, all of us this street say nobody dey husband house. Ebony, this street where you don't be with
This one. Oh no, no.
You know the kind of street where she did. May I tell you the kind of street where she did? As me and you talk so, everybody dey UK. You know who everybody they stay with? Everybody they live with one man.
Because one is not a two so I think that she can use her sense. Since the person say this one. Everybody will be say gas no more that she stay with.
Yeah, I that brother. The guy was on the fence. Yeah, that brother.
Married that just by fire.
Everybody like that one.
I'll soon block you now. You where they talk for them. I'll soon block them.
They will never understand. Actually, the person not rich. You know why they say.
Oh no, na ya wake keni ya kufua. This one. This what we are seeing.
We put her, she don't see her face, so she don't go see her face, so.
This is easy.
My people, one person will talk say everybody no good. No be no good.
And they try to control myself. I just they try to control myself. Ebony with mama say Ebony, I fit ask you one question. Where she dey do?
You hear? Again, Mona, this girl, any character. I don't know whether it was my house. This girl. Oh no, now why color where? On I confess. Yeah, well, on they come here, I block one person. You know, say I go block you. I go ban you. You are banned you. This girl, oh no, now, oh, Betty, who way? He good made the president know. May sit down. He go watch Ebony video, baby, not time. Ebony was promoting a business. If you dey promote your business, egbe ya promote. You understand? When you dey promote your business, you want make your business go. Egbe ya promote. Anything where you get because you want sell. If you want sell anything at all, oh ya promote. You understand? That is what Ebony was doing there. So he could make the president listen to what Ebony talk, the one where I play just now. Then he go come go, you know, say many videos where he did. Well, this easy with his friends, especially that easy. Especially that one. Only Only I pity for those person where nana me we were on a secret or what. I pity for them and this one, this is so. Ebony Matthew Kwegie Eroma Ijoma o. She was joking, say, you see one say, oh man, but I think come back now, just come and say, hey, when they live video ni ya wa je, mo gawu we, moi tenese. Oh mami, we mogele tase. You know, when you want to follow your people joke, if they don't like and they'll say, stop this joke where they joke. Then you can say, hey, yeah, na joking na, you go finish. Like say they come and tell Ebony, say, Ebony, this kind of way they do, we not like her. Ebony go tell them, say, okay, sorry. A joke, yeah, I just say, make my people go watch the music if you come out. Because when you want to sell your business, you go do everything. You understand? This girl, when a president, Mr. President, you have to watch this video. Again, now, this one, on a few begge, Ebony, wama suspend there, oh. Ebony matia bonnet, eroma, oma sunu jenioma. Oma sunu jeni body. I know say oma sunu jenioma bete. Eke no na wina. O heke no yata we. Eke ni na wina o gamehi. Mo si wase. Mo we fi mi se. But People where they look, they know say na joke because of just to sell their market. One of they watch.
Why are you? Oh God. I don't want to talk about the dead. I want your face Ebony alone.
Now see this girl.
Wait, we don't reach. Now so this. Now so that. Oh, what the fuck? Ebony, watch our live video from me to the end. Ebony can never stop talking. She can never stop controlling herself.
You too jealous, na be your jealousy, Manuel.
My bow. I don't feel understand.
Jealousy. Yeah, we are little well if you don't know.
Come and talk to industry anyhow.
Everybody say anyhow to industry.
You think
Until now, see jealousy.
Everybody what we have Mila Junior for it. Everybody said the son of first you come industry.
Because nobody know you. Person like me, this easy, me man. Even the day where come the way I felt on and say if I talk to me, then the second one I can't reply him. Me I don't know him. I don't like to now. Not be say because this thing can't happen. I don't know. I know Sharon. I know Ebony. I know Sandra. I know others. Like this fair one now. Me man I don't like to now. Not be say I don't know this one. I don't know the other fair one. But Sharon, I know her because when I watch you get one film when Sharon do now Wakabodo like a film in and say we follow this our brother do what they call him Jeff a film in Wakabo or Wakabo sell, you know. Now they call no Sharon where you know, like all this one me I don't know them. You see, or we can't say bani. I just can't say ya more. So time you feel if you be saying that you fair reach there, but the one we call yesterday, oh what berawe. This girl, she's full of jealousy. Jealousy on get our weird. Mona said that go give. Mona said that go give the president. Mona help me the share and beg. One go make guy.
That's where you do. That's where you do first report. That's where this. That's where that.
And then for no.
You give money, bring her come out. I go work. Bring proof. When you want back up, people not borrow you money.
Mona see. I not tell Ebony may not go apologize. I dey talk about another thing. That one is different. That one are different. I dey talk about the they suspend down. You understand? Nemage ilele. Anybody will follow and do film. Onye na me we orion ba no. Because if person na orion ba, anata where you with the no one see you say you me go with anybody. Ebony orion ba. Abi na no hear wetin the president. I not talk about say Ebony ya no. Even the day when they even talk about the what happened that day, I even talk and say in your by any respect. I not talking. It's time now. I not say may not go beg. What he talk because if you they do something, you see say where you for the do and people wait they don't like the way we say they do one because now promote now she did to promote her business. So I they not like her. She go stop. Oh, they use another way. But they not tell her. Only me guanji. I know they talk say Ebony ya. You've don't hear that from my mouth. No. You see.
I they wait for you.
I too now see. And they wait for you. Or every day me not tell you back. I bet more than share. Made the patient.
Everybody not one.
Oh, those people in industry.
Anywhere we serve industry now. As I say, we your colleague, don't come out for you now. Your end. You don't say what you they do. They look. Nobody they talk. Everybody they look. They're rising now.
You say don't say. You don't say where Ebony they do. Why they not call her? If really say don't say. Where Ebony they do one. It's just that what me see this one is my opinion. What me see say because Ebony they follow Esther because I hear say they see suspend their staff again not pay. So you don't know say when they not like Esther Ebony can't go there. So Ebony and how me the hate. Oh, vonyo, now understand. So now made them. This one is my opinion. I made them decide say Gawa kukuma huele Leicester. Now they do yesterday. Gawa kukuma huele Leicester no rien. If you not say na lie, wait till me I see, let me and tell na so. Because otherwise, oh no, wait, just you beg Ebony. Of you beg this easy. I'm a suspended. Ebony not aware, you see one say, and I do suspended just because of that one. What the reason I don't say me not go beg. No, we not they talk about say go beg. We they talk about the injustice what they do. Not be only me see. Many people they will see. I know say some people they happy where na good for them, but it's bad. What is bad? Na bad. If na say okay, as they do that thing, they call them. As it be so, even the worst part, in social media, I'll complete the other one. On your one, therefore call them. They will give the muta. That is the you understand? Now so they're supposed to do. Una for no carry go. As soon as you say Ebony do something like that, they get presidents. Epa o remine Ebony yata the social media. Mama like the Epa, the president, he go call Ebony. They not do like that. I will talk on that very day. I say because una not they were respect him. They too were respect having no one ebani. Who wa ti have no one wa ni anti Ebony to order. No, they call social media yana gang. Yana gbege na gbe ya ugbene ni yan gbeboni. Only God na save. Only God na save. Me I put the one when ya enena wa areba ni. Ugbene ni yan gbeboni. No, nobody no see am. Ama suspending ya we wa we ma onyi ne down wanyi onyi ma tosi o wanyi. They say no. Ebony we use material say mo si wan say abeg my music come out mo na go there. Na even see I say na Chester. Do why get lame and not hear but especially those one where just they tell say not be joke. Na she Chester to sing. What they give me a lawyer rugbe so sabari no man o we no winner. Your master winner. It's just to promote my business. If I want to promote my business now, if you come here, I'll talk everyone ahead. Now for people to like what I want to talk. Because if you not promote your business, who will promote them for you? That is what she did. No. You will write down a message. Say, remember, Ebony first, laugh. No. Now, when they insult them, let me say you not follow up. I follow them. It's just that I just I not even carry self. I just stroke past it. I beg. Now, when they insult Ebony, when they gather go Instagram, may I play that one for now. Now there, be like say na Ebony come on a fear nefua. She don't even do video. She don't even do video or fear nefua. Okay? Of for because what you are I won't back bear not be one, then be four, I be five. Koko be anjo. Young bell and worry. So they'll come say many young bear ni that one an injustice. As they say they want suspend their bony, good and fine. Yan be suspending ya. Now so it's supposed to be. Then they'll come say okay, on your manu waya. Don't be say I went in na waya him. For of Unamona go beg. Ebony is suspend till further notice. Then nobody should near Ebony. Nobody should do any business with her. Waiting now. She even measure person. She not measure anybody. Mona sit down, Mona watch and say she they promote our music where one come out. People know they watch again. For people to for her to make this watch that music where come out. And you swear. He listen to that music. Not be she even singer. Or ma swear ne. Your la Diana maybe or not do swear. No. Na person singer for Ebony. Or ma send a bomba. Or ma send a suspend mamba. Then you way run Ebony you wanna tell us. Because we wait there for social media. We not agree. Because we see what happen for this social media. Ou pe easy naga jet dojore. Now she can they do the video. Again, you hate in me that bone is very bad. My woman on Sabol or Salobo Agbor wenne. Ogboru Egbi. God don't bless Ebony, don't bless her. People know Ebony. Anywhere where you for stop for that Bini say, Ebony. Ijeme. Dabas when you web people know. Eti ya get well, better jealous. Mami who can say bani ebony con de famous na ebony con na they con they know in name where you now they know they know your name. Mami ye me you woman no be the day where they born you the boy ebony any not you where tie or tioni. That make me I talk and something and say I je na ya so area ya mo. Some people they way come this abroad 5 years or make some another man with 20 years. Or make because I then I be where then I be up but not when up when and then now for you no. I mean your no matter. So me I play that one with them carry Mona I beg what they make me the play and Mona help me share now make me the president and maybe they not show am. I know say na Nigeria now because they not get time to they watch all video. Maybe they just carry small tea I don't know maybe don't what he don't say they'll carry and go give and say pass what he do. That one will use that one take Georgia. But as we they come since now, as me they play and they come since, una see say na joke, na ebony they do for them. Una see say na in music where one come out, not be yourself. A music you know when na gwenye kpe where one come out because she want make people watch her, like and share. She come out, speak for them. Say, Mona go watch that music. Ikpe gbe ogahin, you know. But people wey get brain. They know say ebony never see one album come out. Just because they don't hate her. Yamari like or ni yaruwa best ani yaruwa efwa. O salobo ekwe ulele fenoraru eru to yeru eru. Wama even though say if you come on for there, maybe you want go the soak cloth for New Benin. O sabo awe ba nyo kana wa igboru. O wa igboru na so it be. They can't gather go Instagram. Yana gather a power. Mona help me share na me meet a power. Me see them.
Abi a lesbian party. Ya we lesbian in. Ya we ilale. Ọ̀rẹ́ lesbian ọ̀rọ̀ we worry. Oh, why we set ya why we had to talk. Yeah, lesbian in. Yeah, right now, glorious official. Ya we lesbian in. Ya mayo.
Gwan pelo soto gwan. Nothing where they not talk for yeah. Nekere na hinia. Mona si an peno so togo. Director will not be happy. Well, the one should be like next. Get typho, up typho. Nasia, you not be a gui. Wa gbe wonu ojo ni santa wa gbe wonu san ojo nu ata iya na press na egun she continue ono na keke na kufu awu we this girl o keke ni ahwe o keke ni wa ahwe because iye area dey ahonu wa we ne boni pa eboni na gele pa ono na yin aye dey destroy now this one and they destroy them this one ave mi ya ni anga tell everything where they talk ye wa no we any paga na we ni gun na do ta we you where they ta o we boni mu we na make the rest come they talk but ye mu e ma mo the contract
on a way, everybody saying, I'll be a quarter. Why? Man, I don't know. The man, well, carry Bula in there. Women are walking. Why,
yes, you will write that comment. If everybody na my sister, I know if you tell and say no go apologize. I know they talk about that one. Not be that one they talk about. Not be that one. Not they talk about that one. Okay. I not talk say Bonnie ya imia. I they talk about the way they take suspend them. Okay. If they say they not like what she talk, as for me, as for me, if they say may go apologize, may enter good and fine. Problem hero. But I they talk about the way they take Georgia. All right. I don't want no na want to make the want to change it. No. And they talk about the way when they take Georgia, the injustice na not good. The judgment was very, very, very bad. It showed to everybody who get eye. Those one way head correct. It shows say they fair get Ebony for mind for them. Okay? Because where you not fair get person, you go warn that person. I said talking yesterday. You go warn and say, make this thing not happen again. We not like him. I want more they be only away you are suspended. Nobody should work with you. For waiting now. For waiting. You hear that one way write that comment. I not say may not go beg. It's normal thing when you offend somebody. You come and you can't beg. I bet him, yeah. Why go even in your tiger? So from there she go can't learn a mistake. Not be saying she not even learn a mistake. Una just carry her. We suspend you for 3 days, 5 days, or a month. Till further notice. Nobody should work with her. You get as it be. People were supposed to suspend. I'm not suspending ya. And I'm way a golden and I'm where one win. It's not fair. It's not fair. Meaning all of them they hate Ebony. Okay? All of them. Even those one where see they come at and go, hey, we don't drive and come out. Who not drive Ebony come out? Ebony, like nowhere. Ebony is Ebony. Okay? You know they change. Any if you wait here, he there with you now, he don't there with you now. People don't know us as Ebony. Alright? Anywhere where you pass. And that's so I don't know. So this glory na. It cannot really say no. It cannot really say. The go can live and the money go the enter. Or flow. It did like that. Now so this business to be. Some people go just come yesterday. Yesterday now you come. You were there for 3 years. Oh, now the glory where God give her. The glory where God give her. Not be give you. Different glorious awaya with that dog. So not be say I not say Ebony go beg. Ebony is free to go there and apologize to them. Say why agree? He may go also know what. If not that one they say me Ebony do, say Ebony say no they go. I for still come and say Ebony, no, you have to go there. You are wherever she must go. But this one now they not say me she can't beg go. As me tell watch the video. They say me the 4 of them, Lizzie, and then they the other one, make them go beg. Why Ebony is suspend? Maybe I give it a make anybody not even work with her. Okay, now that one I they talk because many people don't understand what they go on. They think say maybe Ebony no one go apologize. Now cause no. They not say me Ebony go apologize. Yeah, when you apologize, Ebony you are out of here, which is very bad. So Mona help me share now. May the pa may watch this video. May for see. When they go Instagram, they are not bete, they are not riani yawa. You not even finish for them. The rest video, I know why me I can't play because I don't get time. After this one, I don't throw away. I don't get time. I pray. Me Ebony no me no go alone. So I no kyo dove ne because if you they walk, When you, if you dey work, say happiness no dey there, people no love you, why will you be there? You understand? I know say na a job. If you there for job, if you there for where you dey work, you see say people wey dey there, man like you where, why will I stay there? Why will I stay there? I go find another thing they do. I go find another thing they do. If I just pray, Baba God, may help her. They fit just call her for another place. Hey, Bonny, come, we need you for this side. Because sometimes something they happen. Any sunu no deyaki no. It they happen like that. Any awa sunu wa so we are here o. Oh my God, so abana God na take you come on for there. Wait. Iyama go lower, so Iyama merit. So just live there and go another place. Although you don't know. Then you go away with those when they'll come still start all these people having to start anywhere. Now juju, now should they use. Sometimes not be everything be juju. There are blessing, a blessing of sabaya, no ya bless oma or the loma here. Sometimes you go ask for job, you will go there. They'll tell you say the job we don't give another person. They'll say they don't give another person. Another person you just enter. They'll tell you, you are so lucky. Now you can't get the job. But another person fair pass. So they tell us say we not get job again. Say they don't give another person. A glory no saloboya woman is different. Okay? It's different. So why you got ma? Because we don't know. We wait there for this social media. We don't see say una not like una self. What did they do for Instagram? The audio not come out. Hey, yeah. Wait now. Not be saying because of Ebony. If another person they still do it too. As I still come out, so I go still come out. Come do it. Because we all see say nobody love Ebony for them. Nobody. Nobody. Because if they love her, if the pa wash here. Oh no, nakba when you this one. Oh no, no. Atuna yeah. My many a yam wegbe hoy. It good make the president watch here. Hey, Bonny man any a yam wegbe hoy. You understand? There was in yaga wegbe hoy. Hey ya una. Especially that easy. Again, owa keke na wat awa nyo keke ni suspend enya nikpa agbode atemata nye. Even all those audio not do akpere ya because I know I play them for here. Now she can they do everything.
We want talk now. We already no, we don't want give presenters work. We want ourselves enter the where we do the work. Yeah. Now you can carry the problem. Hey, no, it's too long. Finish everybody's story. It's too long. We're not going one more too. Nobody is poor, my dear. If you can feed yourself, anybody will feed itself. Come feed the other 5 people join a rich person. You want to come sham that to another.
Yeah.
Must come
How
on
much you go announce?
and that's how much you have.
Yeah, they know. Yeah, 300 people.
No, if you want
I say, yo.
every salad only December. In Nigeria,
The young man, assets in the weapon now. So you work go yeah with.
well, if I never know, we must stay. My parents. Also, I'm going to very big house, mansion, duplex. You might post on the Facebook. I'll tell one in there, Kia, all the next Kia, post on the Facebook. And not making it shot.
Now that one they paid easy. Who they breathe? Neboni water. Or wa bad loy. Who they breathe? Even though say na slippers he buy, he carry and come out. What is your problem? What is your problem? And the way we say they live in life, some people they even though say they want even sleep for bed, they'll first show on their bed. Say, see the bed where they sleep. They'll first show. If you know they show, does that mean say, I don't know the way this girl, you know, Yahoo is very bad. See my sister for you. I greet you, my beautiful sister. Ade. I see you. You understand?
1997 or there, I'm gonna be paid. Care 1997.
Kia no a big Camry.
No.
So they complete
That period ago.
The Kia no
because when I was 16. It's a crime though, because I was not up to age. When I was just Somebody said she said anything that dead among the living because she don't carry my name go to people. She be walking my enemy over people. That means she dey call me dead among the living.
He suppose make the president may listen well. May listen well. Okay, you are off. Band, bye. Greeting. He suppose may listen well. Aveni yaniya taloy. This one suppose. Aveni na hekena water where you are. You are suspend, my people. As it take carry in they go juju. Everybody matter my people sometimes it good me with they talk the truth. I don't say me everybody not go beg. I don't say me not go beg. Injustice is very bad. All they so work with a doctor. Okay? You come they cry, nya, nobody go help you. Those of una where they talk say Jesse do and way, Jesse do and way. You supposed to warn me. If I do something, you warn me. Before you go suspend me. You go warn. Me, I believe, say the president, on my beg, now. On my beg, They don't want to say, this is the way they do, so it's not good. We not like her. Not they do one. I want more than the only way. You are out of fear. Upon, because I want me, I stop on for you, because I don't want me, I take on time too much. Upon the audio where we hear, where it come out. And the audio ni easy do act when you make sense here. Ama band there where easy you are not wala jere manare you are suspend. Am I gonna wait be yati we? Don't they not do that one? Ebony way not do video. Then do almost like easy now. This would do like don't say 5 or 6. Don't say 5 or 6. No. Ebony my way a video. I don't say many people not like Ebony. It's not matter because when they hear your name, you must get enemy. Okbokwa. You go okboku. Because say anywhere or anywhere, you go they can't irritate them. No, so it dey like that. When your name don't dey too much, yeah, they don't know na in the na wa go. Nye dia, nye bonokpa, nye the other one. Osalo boy ya we. On si na we. Baba o joga agbonugi eboniye baba o. Ife koro. Baba o joga agbonugi eboniye baba o. Ukpokporo. Owe to amuye. Uda wo sa no ginyagbon. Ugme wuweri yen yeke. Udu ihuye. Udu ihwe. It's a blessing. I'm your mother, your name no samba wa bless. When they just hear your name, especially this easy now. Nya wa na tie ebony. Ni ya wa seti wari ni jo wa me no wa mu wari ejo because the way where she take talk, the way where she take do, everything where she do was like and they come my people. Hello bros. That's your way real life. I'll call you at day life. At day fine. At day life. Real life video. That's your way. Oh, well. That's your way later. Bye-bye. So, it get people like that when you just hear their name. Who are hating you because of your progress. It did like that, Because in your progress. Or any money, who are hating for nothing's sake. Anything you really tell you, anything where the person go talk, you go just say, hey, but once he come and say for you where they not like, I want go. You understand? Come carry me go back. I'll soon block you. Yeah? Even though I say they do audio. If now yesterday I do audio, now I do. Even though I say I do video, even though I say I do audio, if I want to tell the truth, I will talk. Okay? I don't say me not go beg. So it's good. And not people like you, I go say people like you will not like ebony or te chi. Do we no ban your waso. Wait here ebony bo wu na wa work for. Have you might get career again no? If you want person, first warning. This is the first and last. Because they're not talking for them, say they fair one now. They say what happen for social media. Ojinya is suspended. They're not talking say because we fair warn you before. The saga will come for this January. Then they talk about. So my people, I don't want me to disturb now because the thing they vex everybody. Not be the first time. Why they not talking yesterday? The fair one before you did there. Now wait till we see. Now we they talk about so okay. We not yet. I said the man talking yesterday. This one not be the first time when they fair they want ebony. Nobody for talk. You not there for the video. I be here now for the video yesterday. You said now what happen for the saga where they say it happen for social media. All right, the president not all say we don't fair one ebony. Already, manani anyway because some of una they talk say you can't one he not talk say the fair one now. May she beg that one and no matter. I not say may she not beg. Okay, may she go beg. May she go beg because they not even talk and say yeah him. That one where they talk, they listen.
Members of the Edo Artists Association of Nigeria and home and abroad, all Edo State indigents home and abroad, and all our fans all over the world. I remain Joseph Omoawo, the President of the Edo Artists Association of Nigeria, AN, and with me are my executive, members of BOT, and elders of our great association. We are gathered today as regards the saga that took place on social media which involved 5 of our members.
Until yeah, what happen for social media? All right? You not all say we fair one, I fair do this one. You where they talk yours now say
Ebony Obasi, Easy Omori, Classic Gloria, Christina Peters, and Sharon Okpame. Having done our investigation and carefully listened to the first notes you all sent individually to us explaining what led to the saga, we, the executive, members of BOT, and elders of our association hereby resolved on this date, the 10th of January 2022, as follows. 1. The four of you, namely, Festina Peters, Sharon Obame, Classic Gloria, and Izzy Omoriyi, we thank you and we appreciate you on behalf of the general industry for representing our interest. However, you also have passed through the right channel, bringing the matter to the notice of we the executive before taking such moves. For that, the council in section requests the four of you to apologize to the entire industry, all indigenes of Edo State, home and abroad, and all our fans all over the world within 24 hours of this resolution of publication.
2 years. He said the four of them made them go apologize. I'm not telling Boniju way, okay? The four of them made them go apologize to Eminiao. Alright? Till now the year, because some people they just watch her, they not pick waiting the man talk. You understand? So Ebony was suspended. They not ask him, they not tell him say Ebony go beg. He said four of them, which is Sharon, Easy, Classic, Nene, the other one, what is the Classic, and I don't know the other name. Four of them made they go beg. Why Ebony will be out? Yeah, okay, you are out. Go greet them for that side. Don't tell me they make noises. Equal nonsense people.
Ebony Obasui is hereby suspended from the industry till further notice.
2 years.
And no member should have anything to do with her. Anyone found working with her will be sanctioned. Let this serve as a lesson to other members to always take appropriate channel of dispute resolution than washing our dirty linen on the social media. This resolution will be communicated to other guilds in the industry in due course.
Until now, yeah. Turn a year for them. Turn a year that one. He not to say me Ebony come beg. He called four of them. Made them go beg. Which I believe said they don't do one. You understand? Ebony, he not tell us Ebony come out and beg. Ebony was not a matter man where yaimia. They always say they suspend them. May anybody not follow and make film. May anybody no, you know, now that one, na no good. Okay. They say me Ebony come beg. Ebony man beg. Now that one, I problem for day. Then nobody talk like that. Okay? So my people, I don't want me to take on that time too much because the video where they do for Instagram is too long. I will put on it there for my page for them. When I put on, I remember I did there. Anybody who want to go watch, I'm gonna go watch and the way they take do Ebony. Not be only that one. The others where they can they do, where easy can they do, can they play audio normal, audio normal for him. Audio normal for him. You say what you say Ebony not get respect. Oh, you get respect when not wanna. You get respect. One of go to another person platform, go they insult her. You don't know, say you not get respect. Eh? When I told that thing, if I respect you, then they know them, then they make their comments. But some of them where they type, you know, say you not get respect because you go another person has go they insult her. You not get respect. I beg you. So what did they talk yesterday? What did the president do? What did they talk yesterday? He bad. What he bad, not bad. What he bad, not bad. Okay. So my people, may I leave for now, eh? They not call. They not call. They not call. He said the video where they that is what they send. Go give them. Let they take judge. I don't believe said they send near now all this easy. They send all this one where they do for Instagram. Okay? Ogo, you are out of here. Go greet them for another place. Where yourself? I must find you and block you. Because you not get brain. We and do. You are banned. So my people, me I leave una. Me I not to take una time too much. Eh? God go bless una. If they say me Ebony go beg, Ebony is free to go and beg them. Alright? Ebony is free to go and beg them. Ebony is free to go and beg them. But the way where they take judge, where we not like, we must talk put now because we see everything for social media. Okay? Even person where they insult person, papa, is there for there. Ebony no insult anybody, papa. She was promoting her business. More than know the way where they tell they promote business. Now that one ain't no good. With the Nigeria, those states, we don't know how to promote business. You know, because if you not sabi promote your business, you are on your own. You'll see people that they promote their business today. Here you know the low top. Even though say the business they promote not good. They go tell the way they'll tell you. You go carry your money, come and take back the business. She they tell the people, may they go watch because the music will come out. Epa, the president of AM, she was just joking. She not mean not to offend anybody. But if una take her say na she offend una, wanna tell her, may beg una, finish, let she not do it again. But not to say suspend her and leave the rest, make them dead. Meaning, any very name. Because what easy do? Ebony ma we have forget. What easy do? Ebony or ma we have forget. The truth, may we talk as it be. Ebony ma we have forget what they do for this social media. I now ma urega no. Mona me throw we down in on we red the journey red the igbe bagbon. Egbe na ne yan mi kwan egbe ba kwa mi na ogun yan gun ajo. Person do something. I mean, when you pa wa kwefwa. What did they happen now? Person just do something. If they do one before, Mona let us know. If she felt they do what you not like before, una don't fair one. Una tell us. I say I see that person now, he block her manare. Una talk say una don't fair one now because it's not there for them, my people. Because now the video where the man do, now we take the talk so. He said, according to what they see for social media, he not talk say the one way you fair do before. Okay? He not talk say, Bonnie, this one way you fair do before, plus the one way you do for social media, will they suspend you? Let's say you talk and nobody for talk, they'll say, okay, Bonnie, you don't fair do something way not good before. You where they put red that I'll find you and I go ban you. Don't worry. Just they put time because a red your hand boy, a me red you harm me. So now be that one, my brothers and sisters. No worry, I go find you and I go ban you. He block you where I banned you. So my beautiful people, God go bless you now. Eh? I pray, may Ebony not me and not may see another place. No so because I care if Ebony say, who they zuzu, they'll send a day they talk to. Who they breathe, they refer to us. Who they do this one, they'll send a day they talk to. Waiting now, and we are giving writing or ya go and get already anti or with him. Una suppose no say na jealousy and because me I see me what there I see and say a jealousy or all we are when a jealousy now we are loma you just know once. Now once you tend to say this jealousy too much, it they smell follow them. It's very bad, my people. The judgments. So now that one, my people. So they not say me Ebony come beg. They not say me go beg. Alright? The video where we watch. But I know from here they talk say if Ebony want go beg, make she not go beg or no. Not me. If they let they put redhead, make they put on for the redhead the ogbe, but may not cost anybody for you. If you cost person, I go block you. Eh? You know. That one match too much. She ain't go on. When you go on, say na lie. See the talk. Ona ya ata. Mona go watch. He there for Aproko he put on for them. Mona go see what they do. That they want my. She fit go anywhere. If God want open door for person, that's what they do. He go remove you for where you go. The talk say, oh, I go just keep myself. Oh, I go just do this one. Oh, I go just do the other one. He go come out you for there. Go put you for better place. It dey happen. All right, it dey happen. Wanna tell me the person where they put the red dead? All right, I don't see a bang. Bang, you are blocked. No, you are banned. I don't ban down. You ban there. I don't ban down. I've been another person now. Go do. I not even come no safe. Maybe another person. So my people, may I leave you now, okay? God go bless you now. God will open door for Ebony anywhere. You cannot say a good pass. God go open door for her. You know, he go open door for her. So all those one where they do, nobody happy put. If you know say you happy put, you go still reach your turn one day. Take it or leave it. You cannot go where our agba o iwe ravie. You cannot go here. If you happy put say they not warn them before they suspend them, good and fine. You see the work. One day go see happen to you. How will you boss so talk? How will you boss so talk? If you believe, say because then you will still receive your own one day. What is the good was very, very bad. All right. Thank you, my sister. God bless you now. I greet everybody. Now bye bye. Now good night. God bless you all. Thank you for being here. The video day for Aproko. Audio where they all of them they do for there. Where they take course Ebony do everything. It's there for there for now. One go watch them. Even the one where they do for Instagram, I still put them for my page for there. Still there. Very, very bad. It was very, very bad. Oh, bye-bye. I greet everybody. God bless you all. Mona leave that one made they put red there. Maybe another person now block. I know it can't know again. Because I be the final me I block and not consider again. My beg. Okay. Well, yes, say now good night. God bless you all, everybody. God go bless you now do well. Wanna pray for Ebony. Ebony, if you like, go and beg them. Because I know if you come here, come force you say, Ebony, you must go and beg them. Because I see the insult where they give to your father, your mother, your everything. Because I see everything. And I know if you come here, say, come force you say, you must go and beg. No. The way where you take fee for yourself. You know? If you know, say the thing don't even tire you. You are free. Now some they talk on me because where a guy ma or a be already for. All right. Now some need to take and they make parable because if you see the hate where they get for you, now you go call decide say or what a myself as una do good and fine. Let me go. If you see say okay, you see you understand. Now your life. Now you there inside. Not be me there. Okay. Because what me see for there say since my carry question and give my wife lele na me see for there that one na my opinion now what I see. All right, so what you now see the rest people now know what you now see, so now so me they talk my own. God go bless everybody. God go bless una say join me. I really appreciate una well one love keep us together. I pray for Ebony, may God open door big one for her. Then they take and make parable for Italian language saying, when window lock, big door go open. Okay? When window, now not say window small, when it go lock, big door it go open. So I pray for Ebony, make big door open for her life, so that she go get peace. Because if you dey walk for where you dey walk, you not get peace for there. And people, this one come you are bad. This one come you are bad. One are not to hate her. For small thing, must see one say I was suspend on. I never see that kind of thing. All right. God bless you. I really appreciate you now. Now good night. Now bye bye. Appreciate you now bye bye. Mona leave them. Mona wa sonny I no more ready their when they go come out. I want to call the video. Mona go do nothing. I not see am for here. Me I not go block another person. I make me enjoy live. Maybe I go find her. Me block her for because maybe na person we hate her Bonnie because of your we be whether you go like am. I wish you waiting you wish her Bonnie. You where they put red dead. Waiting you wish her Bonnie. Let me wish you. All right. Okay, because when we can area by no matter waiting, you go fair beg. Say wala go wasi ai. Do not hire baby ye case another different thing. Don't be say you they happy. Say ya hue. Ya ga ihue. Ya ma hue yo te dore. Ya ma hue yo te Nigeria re. Okay? So now be that one my people. Yes, the president also is supposed to warn them. I believe say they go do that one. Anything concern them, make them not they carry and on social media. Anything. If they want to do their thing, they are free to do it. Say make them come, they do it for social media, come they carry their enya, come they carry say now now this one. Make them they carry and come out. Now understand my people. Now so me I see them. So anything where they like, they are free to do it. They are no one. I not content they say on that must change and must put Ebony for them. No, maybe they feel say Ebony come inside Ebony or content they say my go along my igi. So now be that one my people. If Ebony lie, she go beg. Okay? I not feel force and say Ebony you must go beg. No. No. As for me, she go beg them if she wants to go. If she wants to go, because once you don't pass 18 years, you are free to do anything when you like. Because the way they take beat and blue and black is very bad. And the injustice is too bad. Okay? Now so rich. Have a nice day. Have a... God go bless you now. Oh, ciao. Bye-bye. Me, I block one mumu for you. One mumu. Yeah, if I suspend... Bye. Now bye. I really appreciate you now. I really appreciate you now. God go bless you now. Mona go do nothing. Easy your that is your it's very bad my people. Yeah, Mona now bye. Now bye. Ciao. Ciao. Now bye.